Hey guys, welcome to another food review. I'm not sure if I've actually done this before, but this is the Alfam from Alfam chicken from Charcoal Factory. It's a restaurant pretty nearby. I think it's only about a kilometer or so away. And I've had a few things from them, but can't really remember. Well, this is I think I had the Jamaican one. This is, I think, the regular one that they have. Although, to be honest, I couldn't tell the difference between that and regular Alfam. So I've got some roti. So they call it tandoori roti. And of course, this is their grilled, the Alfam grilled chicken. Got they give you kubus free along with this. I ordered a full chicken for my parents and I, and of course this is garlic sauce. It's don't really have too much garlic sauce nowadays since the last couple of months, but yeah, we will dig in for tonight. Football is on TV. Arsenal versus Leicester, and yeah, it's a very sleepy. I'm pretty tired today, so but yeah, we're gonna have some food. So they also give you some salad that they call. It's actually more like lettuce, a little bit of onion and cabbage. I'm sorry, carrots. Yeah, it's cabbage and carrots. Right? Nice soft hummus, man. I mean, I love their hummus. I'm just gonna try it with some garlic sauce. Nice. Let's break off a piece over here. Gonna have it with some of the hummus first. Some of that garlic sauce. Pretty good. Chicken is nice and juicy. That's the way like it just arrived, maybe like less than 10 minutes ago. Let's try their roti by itself as well. And not bad. It is dry, and that's how I wanted it. But I think the kubus is way better. The star, of course, is the chicken. I'm giving the chicken I'm giving the raw farm, and should I give it anything more than 8? I think I'm going to give it 8.5. It's actually pretty nice. 8.5 out of 10. Nicely done. And not overly spicy or anything like that. It's got some tang, some a little bit of heat, not too much. The garlic sauce is not bad. I wouldn't say it's great. It's probably a 7 out of 10. And I like their coos. The roti is probably not that great, but it's okay. It's manageable. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Thanks, guys. Charcoal Restaurant. You guys do a pretty good Alfam. Thank you.